How to delete login activity on Instagram. This is what we are going to talk about today. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, this really helps a lot. So without any further ado, let's move into the video. First of all, open Instagram app on your mobile. As you open Instagram app on your mobile, then go down to the profile option that is located down below. As you click on the profile option, then up above you can see these three lines. Then click on these three lines and in here go to settings. As you go to settings, then go to security option. As you click on security option, then on the second option you can see login activity. You can click on login activity over here. Now by clicking on login activity, you will see your login history over here. Now you can delete your login activity by clicking on these three dots and then clicking on log out. This is how you can delete your login activity on Instagram. This is all from the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. If you have any question, put it down in the comment section, and also don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you.